Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Whether it's rain or exhaustion, Kadak chai makes everything feel right. Crush one small piece of peeled ginger and 3 cardamoms. In a saucepan, boil 1 cup of water. Add the crushed ginger and cardamoms. Once the water starts boiling again, add 2 teaspoons of tea powder. Mix it well. Let it boil. Add 1 cup of boiled milk. Stir. Let it boil. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar or as per your taste. Mix well. Let it boil for a few minutes. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Switch off the flame. Strain and pour into cups. Let this Kadak chai be a reminder that you don't need only loud celebrations to feel joy. Sometimes a quiet cup of Kadak chai and a few raindrops on your window is all the magic your day needs. Thank you for being here. See you soon in my next video. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.